Welcome to this Canva tutorial where we'll show you how to save your designs as a JPG in Canva. To get started, simply click on the Share, Add and Locate it in the upper right corner of the screen. From there, select the Download option. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu with various file types. Choose JPG from the list. If you have Canva Pro, you can adjust the size and quality of your JPG. It's recommended to set the quality to 100 for the best resolution. Select Current Page. If you want to save these settings for future downloads, click on the Save Settings option. Finally, hit Download to save your JPG file to your Downloads folder. That's all there is to saving or downloading a JPG in Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.